What's up, guys? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to play chess in Duolingo. So without further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Duolingo app is updated to the latest version. You can check for updates in the App Store or Google Play Store. Next, open the Duolingo app and tap the flag icon in the top left corner to view the available courses. If the chess course is available, tap on it to get started. If you don't see it, try updating the app or signing out and back into your account. Once you open the chess course, Duolingo will ask a few questions about your experience level. Simply choose the option that best describes you. After that, follow the on-screen lessons and start learning how to play chess step by step. And that's it. That's how you can play chess in Duolingo. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.